Half a century ago, in 1973, a new enterprise appeared on the map of Belarus, Minsk Tram and Trolleybus repair plant, intended to give a second life to electric transport in Soviet cities. In the 1990s, the plant, already under the name of Belkommunmash, became the flagship of development and production of Belarus' own electric transport. In 1994, the first trolleybus was produced, and in 1999, the first tram was launched. In 2016, Belkommunmash was the first in the CIS to start the production of electric buses and charging stations, and in 2022, introduced its electric truck. We overcame difficulties, adapted to the demands of the times, and, ahead of the competitors, improved to remain at the forefront of urban electric transport production. Classic trolleybuses, trolleybuses with extended autonomous range, low-floor trams, electric buses with fast and overnight charging, as well as electric trucks. Our work is more than just assembly of vehicles. It is scientific precision and creative approach all rolled into one. BKM Holding is not limited to production within the plant walls. The spirit of the enterprise extends far beyond them, embodied in our trolleybuses, electric buses and trams, which operate reliably for the benefit of nearly 90 cities in 13 countries around the world. And it's not just good transport. We create a space of comfort and safety for drivers and passengers, paying attention to every detail of the interior and exterior. BKM Holding today is a full-cycle production facility comprising all stages, including in-house development and engineering by our own design office, production of electrical equipment, including batteries for the entire range of vehicles, welding of the body frame and its anti-corrosion treatment, using modern European technologies, the assembly production, testing in the plant's own electrotechnical laboratory. BKM Holding is our employees, their knowledge, skills, and experience. Without them, we wouldn't be what we are today. Introducing state-of-the-art technology, we strive for innovation and continuous development. We do not just produce vehicles, but shape the future of urban transport. We contribute to the improvement of a modern city image by implementing effective, innovative transport solutions with care for people and the environment. BKM Holding, 50 years embodying the future that starts today.